Hi, welcome to my third video. Today I'm just going to show you some of my animal noises. I know in my last video I think I promised something about showing off my cosplays and my school uniforms, but that's gonna have to wait because like today I kind of don't feel that great. Yeah, there's certain people I don't want to know about this, so yeah. So anyway, okay, animal noises. Let's start off with, my normal. I've got, my cat sounds. Meow. 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 I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, my roommate hates me. No, she's scared. I've also got, purring. And, like the okay, that's not working too well. And beep. Oh my gosh. Beep. I'm just making animal noises, it's okay! Meow! Arf, arf, arf! Alright, so that's it for today!